If you want to truly understand how well your marketing emails are performing inside HubSpot, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to analyze your email campaigns, not just glancing at open rates, but digging deeper to uncover what's working, what isn't, and how you can improve results moving forward. Let's jump in and start with analyzing the performance of an individual sent email. First, head to the marketing menu, then choose email. This is your main hub for all things related to email campaigns. You'll see a list of the emails you've sent out. Go ahead and click on the name of the one you'd like to review in detail. This will open up several handy tabs, but for now, let's focus on the Performance tab. Here's where you'll spot your big key metrics, things like open rate, click rate, and reply rate. Take your time and look at each metric closely. The open rate tells you how many recipients actually viewed your message. It's a bit like seeing how many people opened the invitation you sent out for your event. Click rate will let you know who was engaged enough to interact with your content by clicking a link, and the reply rate shows you who took the extra step to write back. Each of these numbers sheds light on different aspects of your campaign's effectiveness. If you want to get a more comprehensive story behind those numbers, click on See Details. This action will pop up a side panel giving you a high-level summary, which is perfect if you want to quickly check performance or share it with your team. Don't rush this part. Having that bird's-eye overview is great for spotting trends you might otherwise miss. Now, if you're curious about which specific recipients interacted with your email, head over to the Recipients tab. This is your behind-the-scenes look at who opened and clicked. Super helpful if you want to follow up with engaged leads, or troubleshoot why some recipients didn't interact. Sometimes knowing the who behind your metrics helps you personalize future outreach. For special email types, you'll also see options to segment results by recipient list or workflow. This can be useful if you ran a campaign targeting different customer personas or automation flows, allowing you to tailor your follow-up based on what resonated most. Moving beyond individual emails, let's talk about your broader campaign performance. Still in the marketing email section, look toward the top and click the Insights tab. This dashboard is all about holistic analysis. It lays out the positive changes under Doing Well, and areas that need a bit of attention under to improve. Pause here and consider these insights. They're your roadmap for doubling down on successful tactics and tweaking elements that might not be landing. One really cool feature in HubSpot, you can compare your results to the wider industry average using the Compare Insights with dropdown. Select HubSpot Benchmark, and you'll instantly see how your campaigns stack up against the competition. This is especially helpful for adding context to your numbers. It's not just about improving internally, but also seeing how you measure up in the market. For those times when you want to dig deeper into a particular campaign, pop over to Marketing Subset Campaigns, click on the name of your campaign, and choose the Performance tab. Here you'll get a focused view of all activity tied to that campaign, making it easier to track the big picture and evaluate if your goals are being met. And if you need truly customized analysis, head to Reporting Reports. Click Create Report and select Custom Report. From here, pick your data source. Say, marketing email activities or marketing email analytics. This lets you build a tailor-made report with just the specific metrics relevant to your business priorities. Take your time here and get creative. Custom reporting is powerful, and it's worth a bit of extra effort to set everything up the way you want. And that's it. You now have a complete toolset for analyzing marketing email campaign performance within HubSpot. If this walkthrough helped clarify things, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you have any questions or want more advanced tips, drop a comment below. Subscribe to my channel for more actionable tutorials just like this one. Happy optimizing!